I am Daisuke. This is my stretch workout. Hamstring stretch, everyone's favorite, my favorite. Now let's stand on the triangle position, weight right in the middle. Stretch out and slowly extend your arms forward. That's it, try to reach out. Now knees and the feet and toes need to be face front. Extend, extend, breathe out. Then relax your upper body. Try to bring your stomach close to your thigh so you can feel your hamstring is nicely stretched. Make sure to relax your belly muscle. If your stomach muscle is tensed, you cannot really stretch well. It is like having a handbrake and accelerating at the same time. So remember to on off, as well as your thigh muscle needs to be nice and relaxed. So if you're doing this stretch with me right now, try to wobble your thigh to release the tension. Now arch your upper body, slowly come up, so you can still maintaining the flexibility and stretch. Now go back to the parallel position. Well done. So you can feel the hamstring is nicely stretched. Let's try the other side. Make sure weight is now right in the middle. Imagine you're nicely extended. Breathe in to lift the arms up. Reach forward. That's it. Try to reach the middle finger as far as possible. And at the same time, don't forget to stick your bum out so you can really feel the bottom of your hamstring is nice and stretched. Keep on breathing. Especially every time when you breathe out, I want you to really relax. Relax behind your neck, relax your stomach, and wobble your thigh to take the tension out from your thighs. Every time when you breathe out, your torso gets close to your hamstring. Every time when your torso gets close to hamstring, you increase the flexibility of your hamstring muscle. Slowly arch back to come up to maintain the stretching of your hamstring. Now go back to the parallel position. So you can now feel your hamstring is nicely stretched. You probably feel taller and your sight and focus is much more clearer. That's what hamstring does to us. Now let's try one more time from different angles so you can see me. One of the most important thing in this exercise I need you to remember is the angle. Toes, knees, hips, shoulders, nose, everything needs to be face front. The moment your shoulder, either hips or toes opening out to the side, you will lose the nice flexibility of your hamstring and stretch. So let's be strict with your placement. But same time we need to relax. Relax behind of your neck, shake your head if you can, and keep on breathing in and out. Breathe through your stomach so your stomach gets nice and relaxed. Relaxation is the key in stretch, no tension. This is not a hard work, this is a loosening exercise to maximize your flexibility. Feel good. Tell your body what's supposed to feel like. Take your stress out. You've been working very hard. Now is the time to relax. Slowly come up. That's it. Now place your foot together. Now let's try one more time with the other side. This is the last time. By now you're getting really hung of this. Now you know what you're doing, don't you? Now reach your middle finger towards me. That's it. Reach, reach, reach. Get close to me. That's it. Look at my beautiful face. Keep on reaching. Then when you're ready, relax. That's it. This tension and relaxation, this contrast will increase the flexibility of your upper body as well as your hamstring. Keep on relaxing. Behind the neck is nice and long. Think happy thoughts. That's what I usually do when I'm doing stretch exercise. Your hamstring having a big party. Yay! Nicely stretched. It feels good. When you're ready, slowly come up. Then you're ready to move on to the next exercise with me. Upper body stretch. Now take your time, slowly roll down from your head. Make sure to stand from parallel position. Imagine you're like a raindrop. Slowly come down, feel the weight of your head. Now from here, arch your upper body like a snake. So your spine's becoming nice and soft. Try to feel every single vertebra. Now when you come up, remember to come up from the top of your back. Now let's change the angle. Stand on your parallel position. Toes, knees, hip, shoulder, nose, face front. Relax from your head. Drop from your head. Relax your stomach. Imagine somebody punch your stomach. That's it. Then as you go down, 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 you relax your knees. That's it. Now arch your upper body and look at me. Hello, it's me. It's Daisuke, your friend. And head comes down. Go through. Hopefully your stomach touched into the knee and slowly come up. Now you can really feel your spine becoming nice and relaxed. You can now breathe through the spine, can you? I almost can. Let's try one more time. You're feeling your head, feeling your arms. Now relax your knees. From here, arch your upper back like a monkey. Eat, eat, eat. Everyone loves monkey pose. Slowly come up. That's it. Feel every single vertebra one by one. Yes. You can really finish the stretching without the hip stretch. Now this is one of the most crucial exercises, you know. Now let me show you from the side so you can see me, all the picture of Daisuke Miura doing stretching. Now wide position, weight right in the middle. Now make sure back knee is nicely straight so you can really feel your hip is nicely stretched. And your torso is straight, vertical, beautiful. Now feel your hip. Maybe you can rub it and you can really feel your hip is nicely stretching. And also, same as the other stretches, the alignment is the key, guys. Alignment is the key. Alignment is the key. So hip, knees, shoulder, nose, everything is facing front. Now drop your hip, but back knee is straight. So you can really feel your hip is stretched. It feels good, supposed to feel good. If it doesn't feel very good, then maybe you need to give yourself a bit of break. That's absolutely fine. If you have got coffee, then, you know, have a coffee or a cup of tea. I love coffee. I love coffee to coffee, you know. But sometimes I don't have a coffee paper, so I use the kitchen roll or toilet paper to use it instead of coffee paper. It still works, which is great. Now shoulder, knees, hips still facing front. That's it. Don't twist them, just don't. It's not good for you. And you lose the whole effect the moment you open the hips, alright? Let's be strict with the position, guys. Strict. Now, drop your hip, upper body straight. Breathe out, sink in, but keep your back knee straight. I can see you guys, your knees a bit relaxed. Come on. Let's keep it straight. That's it. Now drop. Keep on breathing. Is your upper body nice and straight? Is your shoulder straight? Are you leaning too far forward? Don't. Keep your upper body straight. Straight back, straight hip. Drop the hip to the ground so you can really feel the hamstring. Not a hamstring, hip stretch. But still feel very peaceful and calm. Breathing, breathe out. Now you are feeling it. Your hip is nice and stretched. Now we are ready to go. Well done, guys. Super impressive. Whoa! You became so flexible. Now my stretch workout is clearly working for you. So if you liked it, give me the thumbs up. And remember to subscribe my channel. I will see you in next episode. Bendigerik! Bye bye!